At Bexley Dental, we value our patients' feedback. Here are a few recent comments.
Now, you've had the ALL-ON-4 procedure done here for your top and bottom teeth. So what made you come to Bexley Dental?
I'd had trouble with my teeth all my life, and I came here several years ago, and you, on the first visit, you explained to me, I didn't know anything about it actually, and you mentioned it to me, explained a bit to me, and then over the next couple of years of repairing teeth that weren't worth repairing, etc., and toothache and everything, I decided to get it done. And you and I had to talk about it, and I did it.
I went to my local dentist, and he had a good assessment of my teeth and realised there was a lot of work to be done, so he gave me options of what I could have done that would improve everything, and he gave me time to think about it, and I decided to go for the ALL-ON-4.
Well, after being the stereotypical person who was so afraid of going to the dentist all the last 20 years or so, I started to do some investigating online about the ALL-ON-4, and I liked what I saw. And being a local person who thinks local, I saw a lovely feature you did in the local paper, and I thought that looks like the place for me. So in I came, and I've never looked back.
How did you feel after meeting myself and all the staff here at Bexley Dental?
I felt really good, really comfortable, was very, very professional, and all the staff just seemed to have it all together and know what they were doing.
Straight away I was convinced. You had some wonderful colleagues here with you. They sat and talked to us, they answered our questions no matter how silly they sounded or how inane they were.
So tell me, how has the ALL-ON-4 treatment changed your life?
Oh, greatly. You can open your mouth without having to roll your top lip down and try and hide that horrible mess. Quite a few people have mentioned it to me, that how much better it looks. Quite a few people have actually, yeah.
It's changed it incredibly. I feel very comfortable smiling now, whereas before, nah, never.
Theo, I don't know where to begin. When I walked in here for the first time, I was a late middle-aged lady, very overweight with low self-esteem, no social life, just going to work every day, coming home again and leading a pretty bland sort of life. And you couldn't imagine somebody whose life could change so much in 1 year. Now I get lots of joy out of life. I love meeting new people. I go out, I've been out to the Sydney Festival for the first time ever. I've never been down to the festival before.
You had the procedure done while you were asleep. Can you tell us about that experience?
Oh, I wouldn't have it done any other way. It was fantastic. The anaesthetist was very good, very professional. He had me asleep through the whole thing. I think it took 2.5 hours, which was nothing. And when I woke up, I was just told to wake up, and I woke up and it was all over. No pain, no nothing.
Sound asleep, woke up and all those things were gone. Yeah.
Show us a big smile there.
Yeah.
And how did you feel the next day?
I felt fantastic. I'm not just saying that. I felt really, really good. No problems, no pain. There was no pain whatsoever.
My only regret is that I didn't get it done earlier.
So Laurie, I'm going to pass you an apple, and it's probably something that you couldn't do a year ago with your teeth that you had before. Can you show us now?
With pleasure. Here goes.
So would you recommend it to your friends?
I have already, to many friends. Yep, they'll be having it done.
I've explained it to several people, yeah. In detail, yeah.
I would recommend it to my friends, to my colleagues, to my neighbours, to everybody, and I'd particularly recommend that they come here to Bexley Dental. You have to think local, act local and be local, and you have a wonderful, wonderful, thriving practice here. You do everything professionally and in a friendly family manner.
I'd recommend anyone coming to Bexley Dental. He's drop dead gorgeous. I've always said that.
If you would like to know more about ALL-ON-4 or get assessed to see if it is the right path for you, call us today.